How's it going, guys? Blender is a free and open source creative suite that supports the entirety of the 3D pipeline like modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositing, and motion tracking. You can even use Blender for video editing and game creation. On the world-class level, Blender is on the same level as Maya, Cinema 4D, Houdini, and the Unreal Engine, even if not better. Popular misconception among people new to the 3D creative space that because Blender is an open source application, open source as an application in this context means free, that there may be limitations. My dear friend, you are absolutely wrong. The learning curve for Blender is extremely realistic, and the learning resources and assets are readily available. To jump on the 3D creative space, there are so many niche you can start with, but just to mention a few, you can decide to pick product animation, and become an environment artist, or you go for game asset creation. Whichever one you decide to pick, collectively, all parties involved are all called CGI artists. But it is advisable to pick a niche right from inception so that you won't have to move in circles. And to become successful and also to become a force to reckon with, it is advisable right from the beginning you know what you want to do in the 3D creative space. Don't stop learning, continue learning, and from time to time always update your portfolio, which is very important because we never can tell when you might get an offer. And talking about offer, you might not get an offer from the big name studios like them Disney, Pixar, Marvel, etc. But there are also popular companies that can also sponsor your tier 2 visas, or even have you work for them remotely. And the average salary is between 50,000 pounds to like 90,000 pounds. That's in the UK, and in the US it could be around $70,000 to like $100,000. Or you can even get a gig in the Far East, anywhere in Asia, or even some other places across Europe. But regardless of wherever your offer is coming from, I just want you to know that being a CGI artist is a creative is a prosperous line of business, I mean. And if you're interested in joining this moving trend, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I also have a WhatsApp community whereby you can interact with fellow enthusiasts on how to become a better version of yourself. So the link for my WhatsApp community is down below. Don't forget to join, and I can't wait to hear from you.